Sequence connectors. What is a sequence? A sequence is an order of events. For example, a cooking recipe, or perhaps your daily routine. So, in order to tell someone our routine, we need to know words to put order in the events. Those words are sequence connectors because they connect ideas. Here they are: first, then, next, after, before, later, after that, before that, finally. Let's look at an example. First, I wake up. Then, I take a shower. After, I prepare breakfast. But before that, I get dressed. Next, I have breakfast. Then, I brush my teeth. Then, I turn on my computer. And finally, I take online classes.